right, that was my one package of wieners that I diced. Now I'm coming in with my muffin pan, and we're gonna bring in some Pam and just quickly spray this so that nothing sticks. Perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my diced pieces of wieners, and we're gonna add about 3 pieces per muffin cup. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious kind of lunch snack, whatever you wanna make it for. It can even be an appetizer, but it is gonna be delicious. All right, we have that set to go. We can move it to the side and bring in our medium bowl. And we're gonna come in with our 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Now you can make a homemade cornbread or use whatever cornbread mix you like, but I wanna keep this a little bit more affordable, so I'm using the Jiffy corn mix, which is only like 99 cents. Now I'm coming in with 1 can of corn, and we're gonna add that whole can of corn into our bowl. Now this is optional, but I like a little bit of heat in my cornbread, so we're gonna add our diced jalapenos, but that's optional, like I mentioned, so you can skip it if you don't like the heat. Now for some extra creaminess, I like to mix this up by doing some cream cheese, and this is 8 ounces of cream cheese. I did think I got the whipped cream cheese, but I guess I didn't. The packaging was a little deceiving, but that doesn't matter. You can use whatever kind of cream cheese as long as it's 8 ounces. And we're putting that right into our bowl. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna crack 2 eggs right into our bowl, and don't worry, I'm really good at not getting shells into my bowl, so do not worry about that. Beautiful, 2 eggs perfectly into our cornbread mix. All right, we're gonna bring in our hand mixer, and it is time to mix this. You wanna make sure that it gets all well combined, especially with that thick cream cheese. Oh, it smells so good. The corn and the jalapenos are very potent in this, and look how beautiful that's coming together. I am excited. So this is gonna kind of imitate almost like a corn dog, because we have the cornbread and the hot dogs, but it is gonna be elevated because of all that yumminess we added to our cornbread mixture. But oh my gosh, you can make this the normal way and it would be just as good. But let's kind of speed that up just a little bit so that we can make sure that it got well combined. It is chunky and delicious. I think that's ready, huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yum. Get all that off. Perfect. Okay, we can bring back our greased muffin pan with those hot dogs. And I have my ice cream scoop so we can scoop our cornbread mixture right on top. Oh, doesn't that look so good?
Oh, it looks so creamy and delectable.
It's gonna rise and puff up and be fluffy. That cream cheese just makes this recipe so much better. I would definitely not skip on that if you do want to make this more traditionally. It's okay to leave out the corn and the jalapenos, but that cream cheese is a non-negotiable. So let's quickly fill these up so we can get our last ingredient on here and get to cooking. All right, and our last ingredient is our extra sharp cheddar. So we're gonna, once again, put that to the side, use our little cutting board and our extra special cheese grater. You guys know I'm obsessed with this thing. So we're gonna grab our cheddar. We probably don't need this whole block, but we are gonna grate just enough to kind of sprinkle on top of our cornbread. All right, that looks like plenty. We used about half of a block. Bring back our muffin pan, and it is time to just sprinkle that. Woohoo! I don't know about you guys, but I love cheese with cornbread, so this is why I am going with this. And oh my gosh, these would be so great with a nice bowl of chili, right?
Oh yeah, I love chili.
All right, so let's get our cheese on here super fast so we can enjoy this with some chili. Okay, these are finally ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Oh my, look at these gorgeous cornbread hot dog deliciousnesses. All right, you guys know what time it is. We are gonna do something crazy. You ready?
No way. Okay, let's
Ready?
go. Yeah.
Woo! All right, we were a little off. Oh my! All right, Danny tried to push my thing over and ruin those ones, but these look absolutely delicious. Those hot dogs kind of got a sear on them. Ooh, they look good though, huh?
Yeah, they do.
All right. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, get a little hot dog in my bite. Ooh, look at that cheesy deliciousness.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness.